Now we'll start from line number 301. Portia, what sum owes he the Jew? That means, what is the amount of money that the Jew will receive? That means, Shylock will receive. That means, he borrows from the Jew, means Shylock. So, here owes means borrows. Bassanio mentioning that for me to sponsor him to Belmont, to help him to win the hands of Portia, to help him to meet his soulmate. 3,000 ducats. Portia. What? No more. Once in Act 1, Scene 1, Belmont is considered as Colchos and Portia to Medea. That means extremely rich lady. Further it was mentioned in Belmont, a lady richly left, nothing undervalued than Cato's daughter Brutus Portia. She is extremely rich, and to her 3,000 ducats is a matter of joke. There is a daily need, so it does not matter. She is shocked with that amount. To her it is very little. What? No more. Pay him 6,000 and deface the bond. Pay him 6,000, pay Shylock 6,000 and cancel the bond. And then treble that. Further you do one thing, treble that 6,000. That means 18,000 and cancel the bond. Before a best friend of this description, before a best friend of such description means of such quality, shall lose a hair through Bassanio's fault, will lose a single hair due to Bassanio. Bassanio is her husband. So, it would be very hard for her to accept that for her husband someone is suffering. So, she is ready to help Antonio. Number one, since Bassanio is good according to her, and number two, since her husband is related to this matter, because it is for him Antonio is in problem. First go with me to the church and call me wife. First they will get married at the church. The engagement will be done, and then away to Venice to your friend. Then straight away you go to Venice. Who will go? Bassanio will go to Venice to your friend. For never shall you lie by Portia's side. For never shall you lie means never shall you stand or be with Portia with an unquiet soul. With an unquiet soul means with a stormy, problematic soul. That means with problematic mind, with mind full of sadness, Bassanio should not be with Portia. Instead, he should go to Venice and try his level best to save his dear friend. You shall have gold to pay the petty debt. Petty means little. You can pay him with gold 20 times over. Pay him 60,000 ducats. When it is paid, bring your two friends along. When that amount will be paid, bring your two friends to Belmont. True means here best or the good friend. My maid Nerissa and myself, meantime, will live as maid and widow. So she and Nerissa and myself, they will do what during this period of time? For time being, they will live the life as maid, that means unmarried lady, and widow, that means whose husband has died. So they will accept the absence of their husbands during that period of time, because they want to save Antonio. That is more important according to them than the celebration of their marriage. Come away, let's move. 315. 316. For you shall hence upon your wedding day. Hence upon means you are going away from here on the day of your wedding, the day they would get married. Now, due to the rule of fortune, due to the game of fortune, now they are going to be in Venice. There I am saying because Portia will later go to Venice too. Bid your friends welcome. Bid Salerio, Jessica, Lorenzo welcome. Show a merry cheer. That means show them a cheerful face, cheerful attitude. since you are dear bought means you are so expensive. Bassanio is very expensive to Portia. I love you, dear, but let me hear the letter of your friend. So the for time being they will not be together. That will not affect their friendship, that their love or their affair, because Bassanio is very dear to Portia, very expensive, the costliest thing in the world. So that will not affect their relationship. But let me hear the letter of your friend. But by the time, let me listen to the letter that is sent by Antonio. The letter is written in first person. What Antonio has exactly written, that is provided here. So it is within quotation you will find. Bassanio reads, "Sweet Bassanio, my ships have all miscarried. All my ship got lost. My creditors grow cruel, from whom he took credit loan, grow cruel, hostile, unfriendly. My estate is very low. My present wealth is very less. My bond to the Jew is forfeit." The 3000 ducat bonds got forfeited. "And since in paying it, it is impossible I should live." Now, if he needs to pay the bond, he will pay the bond with his pound of flesh, not the money. So it seems that he will not stay alive after the payment of the bond. "All debts are cleared between you and I." But there is no debt between Bassanio and Antonio. What beautiful friendship! This is unconditional friendship. We have to appreciate Antonio for his unconditional nature of love for Bassanio. He is saying there is no debt between you and I. So unconditionally. "If I might but see you at my death." So what is the only one debt, only one thing that Bassanio has borrowed, that he has to return to Antonio? He once needs to meet Antonio before his death. He wants to see Antonio. Antonio wants to see him once before his death. Since while paying the debt, the pound of flesh, it seems it is true that Antonio will not stay alive. "Notwithstanding," meaning is written there, "nevertheless, use your pleasure, enjoy your time there. Till the very ripe of your time, enjoy there. If you love, do not pursue it. You too come, let not my letter." If Bassanio does not come to Venice to meet Antonio, due to the cordial relation they have, due to the love they share, then he should not return. He should not return to Venice, since Antonio has sent a letter. Very sentimental letter. And obviously you have to appreciate the friendship. "Portia, oh love, oh dear, dispatch all business, stop all other work, and be gone, and go straight to Venice." Bassanio, "Since I have your good leave," that means honorable permission, good leave means honorable permission to go away, "I will make haste." That means I will go very fast. "Till I come again, no bed shall ever," it is written here, means ever, "be guilty of my stay, nor rest be interposer twixt us twain." Interposer means, it is written here, one who comes between. That means a barrier. Twixt means between. Us twain means us two. So what he will do? He will not, it is written, "no bed shall be guilty of my stay." He will not take rest anywhere until he returns to Belmont. He will return as quickly as possible. Antonio also, he promised in Act 1, Act 2, Scene 8 that I'll return as soon as possible. Then Antonio said, "Don't return till the ripe of your time." Here also he is saying he will return as quickly as possible. And he will not take rest in any bed. So no bed will be guilty, responsible for his staying. No rest be interposer. There will be no rest taken. No rest will be an interposer. That means a barrier between us twain. That means within these two, Bassanio and Portia. So here ends Act 3, Scene 2, a long scene containing 331 lines. very important scene. This scene is completed does not mean we will jump to the next scene. We will make one evaluation of that entire scene, that is very much needed. Go through this part properly, write down the word meanings, write down the explanation, and in any case if you find any doubt, do let me know. I will surely reply you back as I have done before. So, these are the very important part, these are the very important parts of this scene. This is the climax of the scene, and that is the part which takes the drama to the climax. This part is taking the drama to the climax, and this is having all the ingredients of a perfect comedy. Tension is there, love is there, song is there, affection is there, everything is there, marriage is there, plenty of characters are there, everything is present here. So, make proper note of this entire part. In case of any doubt, do let me know. Thank you very much.